Well, hello and happy Saturday, boys and girls. Today's going to be a really quick tip-type video. I was doing some detailing on the C5Z over there, and this is something I've done a lot of cars I've had over the last 15 years or so. Something I learned, 15 years ago. And I've seen other ways of correcting the cowl. There's no wrong way to do it. You can replace the whole damn thing. You can take it off and paint it. My method is very, very simple, and it's pretty permanent. You just need two things, and there's a good chance you have both these things in your garage. A heat gun, if you know, you know, and then some sort of protectant. I'm using a CMX ceramic spray coating. With this, doing the heat gun method, it'll last probably 5 years. So I'll take you over to the car and walk you through how to do this. It's actually very therapeutic to do it as well. I'll do a little time lapse of me doing it. I'll show you exactly where you should probably tape though, just to protect any paint and any do's and don'ts while we do it. So I'm gonna shut up and we'll go over to the car. Over here at the car, a couple places that we will get kind of close to the paint is right up here. I put about 5 layers of tape. The little windshield wiper lines, I put a couple layers of tape on that just to be safe. Everything else we should be okay. There's a fuel line that runs underneath there, but it goes straight down. I wouldn't focus on this area for too long, but we're not going to go underneath it, so it shouldn't be much of an issue. As long as you stay up here, you're going to be good to go. Glass is fine, of course, not going to hurt anything. This method, I don't think will work on the metal arms. I'll try it, but if it does work, I'll let you know, but it probably won't work. I'll probably have to take these off and actually sand and paint these guys. Not a big deal. This is just a cowl video for today. So I'm going to go ahead and put you up here on my little stand. We'll do a little time lapse. I did do a little bit right here just to make sure it works. It works just fine. All right, so when doing this, I put it on my highest setting. I hold it about 1 inch from the plastic. Do not keep it in one place for too long. Now, plastic is a oil-based product. You're kind of liquefying the very top surface, and then right away, when you pull the heat away, it rehardens very, very quickly, essentially giving you a brand new surface. So I'll show you real quick how it looks. It's very, very cool. And then we'll do a little time lapse and I'll show you the after. So you see, pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in time-lapse mode, and then I'll show you how I apply the ceramic spray coating. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add some of this ceramic coating. You can pick some of this stuff up. There's a whole bunch of different brands from your local auto parts store for like nothing. And because this isn't a finished surface, we're just gonna apply it with our applicator and leave it, and it'll give us a nice shine for a long time. Spraying it on, and just wiping it right on. Oh, and by the way, heating up the arms did not work. I put some of this on temporarily, but I gotta take these off and paint them so I can restore them. No big deal though. All right, finish the other side real quick and we're all done. Cool. All right, guys, just like that. 15 minutes work, you got a brand new looking cowl. You don't even have to remove it. Pretty freaking cool. Hopefully someone out there found some value in this and will tackle this project. Again, this method works on any real plastic trim. This is the only place on the car after 22 years it actually got faded. Rear brake intakes still look fine. The only thing that was fading was just the hood cowl. So what else? But yeah, again, let me reiterate. When you're doing this, don't stay in one spot too long. You're gonna have a bad day. Just keep it moving about an inch away and you're good to go. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll catch you here in a few days for some more fun Corvettes, maybe a Mini Cooper video. I don't know. We'll see. Well, anyways, guys, go enjoy your Saturday, and I'll catch you next time. Mark out.